A true diamante because she only accepts face card as valid payment. Please welcome Reina Hispano Americana 2025, Diamante.
Maayong gabi, Tobol, at buenas noches. Soy Diamante Surena Hispanoamericana 2025.
Hala, lain naman to na language. Uy. If you can speak Spanish,
Konti lang, a little bit.
a little bit, un poquito.
Un poquito, sí.
We also have here, ano siya, it's called kanang Alcatobas Elaba Egas. Binaklala na. Diba? You teach me Spanish, I'll teach you that language,
Okay.
all right? That's a
Sige, sige.
deal.
Yes, deal, deal.
Okay, so how is it being here in Tubod in Iligan City? Is this your first time?
It's my first time here in Iligan and it's such a beautiful city. I'm so, so happy to be here.
So, have you gone around? Did you arrive this morning, Ramano?
I arrived this morning, so wala akong tulog.
Oh, walang tulog.
Wala tulog, pero okay lang. Anything for everybody here. So, ganun talaga. But I'm just so, so happy to be here. We weren't able to go around, but I met some wonderful, wonderful people.
Well, I mean, buhay beauty queen talaga yan.
Oh, ganyan talaga yung buhay na beauty queen.
So I have to ask you, give us a little insight. What was the hardest part of your entire competition?
The hardest part of Reina's Panamericana was the language barrier. As in, nosebleed talaga ako dun. Nosebleed dahil they don't speak English. The whole production is in Spanish. The handlers, the candidates speak Spanish. And not everybody speaks English. So you really have to adapt to their culture and adapt to their language.
Well, you did a fabulous job, as we all saw. So we want to give you a big, big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give another big round of applause to our Reina Hispano Americana 2025.